Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this very beautiful rainbow colored mesh. If you want, you can combine it with other colors meshes. It's totally up to you and your design and which occasion you are going to use it for. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make this mesh made out of papers. It is very easy, very simple, and you can make it within a few minutes very easily at home. You can use this for any decoration, for any occasion. You can use it as a decoration for a birthday party, any event. You can also use it as a room decoration, up to you how you want to use it for. If you are new to this channel is all about party decorations, room decorations, and all kinds of other DIYs. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button right now so you don't miss my channel, you don't lose my channel, and you don't miss my future uploads. For this decoration, I have here 7 A4 size paper in 7 different colors, in green, yellow, orange, red, blue, pink and purple. We'll take one color paper and we'll fold it in half. And at the fold line, we will cut it out. Now we have divided the A4 size paper in 2 parts. This is the same that we'll be doing with all the other colors as well. After cutting them in half, we'll take each color again and we will fold this in half once more. Again, we are going to cut it in half. And this is the piece that we'll be needing for one mesh. If you need to make more mesh, you want to make more mesh, then you can use all the other colors for that. For the sample that I'm making, I'll be needing one piece like this from each color. After having cut these strips, we will start with the red color. Take a large piece of double-sided tape and put it on the edge on one side. Make sure the double-sided tape is big enough. And we will take our orange color paper and paste it like this. Again, we will take our double-sided tape and we will put it on the edge of the orange color like this. And we will paste yellow color on top of this orange. Next, on the yellow color, we will put the green color. On the green color, we will paste our blue color. On the blue, we will paste our purple color. And on the purple, we will paste our pink color. This is how our paper looks like now. This is the back side of the paper, and we are going to fold it in half. Like this, and we are going to fold it in half again once more. Our open side that we have here, this will point for above. We will take our ruler and we will mark on each 1.5 centimeters. We will make spots. So on 1.5, 3, 4.5, 6. After making all these lines, we'll turn the paper over with the open side facing for us, for beneath. We will make cuts on the open side, but we won't cut till the end. We won't cut till the edge here. We'll cut till about here. Make cuts here, but don't make cuts till the end. On each dot that you made, make cuts straight but not till the end. After you have made the cuts like this, turn the paper over on the side that you didn't make the cuts And as you can see, this is one piece, this is two pieces, like this. They are all pieces. In each piece, from one cut till the other cut, we will make a cut from this side, also not till the end, till here. We will make long cuts exactly in the middle. Like this. Now carefully open it up. Divide the papers from each other. Like this. And we are going to open it up. Like this. So here it is. This is our starting position where we started from when we just freshly pasted all the papers together, but now it's full with cuts. And now if you stretch it like this, you'll see the mesh starting to take shape like this. And now it's time for some magic. We will paste the red color, one piece, we'll paste it on the wall with a piece of tape. And paste the tape whichever place you think that the mesh design is very beautifully set. Afterwards, after you have made these, you can adjust them how you want. You can make the sizes of the meshes smaller, bigger, how you want. You can decorate it the same way. If you want, you can use multiple meshes. You can do whatever you want. Let me know if you did like this DIY. Don't forget to click on that like button. Let me know which event, which holiday is your favorite holiday. And please don't leave this channel without subscribing.